Get them out. Don't hesitate. I made y'all admins because I trust you. Like I said, I appreciate everybody racing with us. So let's just have a good, clean race. Have fun. Check out my buddy Johnson Papa on YouTube. James Layford Sim Racer on YouTube. Kyle Hollywood Wellman Firecracker 6 on YouTube. They're big supporters of the Crow's Nest. And if you're in here, you're more likely to see yourself on their racing. So thank y'all for your support. Appreciate everybody and active members of the Armed Forces. Our Armed Forces veterans in here with us. We appreciate you. Crow's Nest drivers, I appreciate you. Visitors, I appreciate you. If you hold the line, no, I'm playing, but just hold your line. Let's have a good one. If you need a wave around, holler at Mr. Rick. He will be the sole admin doing wave arounds. That way no one's getting too many wave arounds. If you get a lap down, we'll try and get you a lap back. And then you get 2 laps down, we'll try and get you 1 lap. But the 1 to green comes out, that's when the wave around starts, when the 1 to green comes out.
Catch the 13 car.
Can I have an EOL, please?
18 car. Catch the 90 car. Catch the 20
Can I have an EOL
car.
too,
Catch
please?
the 16 car. Catch the 80 car. Catch the
Again,
24
it's cautions are
car.
on, 30-minute race, plenty of time. Single file restart. I do ask the leader, when the pace car peels off, if he would at least get us to an 80 miles an hour and stay there till the green comes out, please, so we don't get all bunched up and running into each other back here.
10-4.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks for the host, Jimmy. Good luck, everybody.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yep, good luck, everybody. Thanks for the host, Jimmy.
Y'all are welcome. Appreciate y'all racing with us. Let's hold that line.
Thanks for hosting this, Jimmy, and good luck to y'all.
I appreciate y'all racing with us. Like I say, admin, see someone not holding line, scuffing tires, don't hesitate. Get them out. Bob, thanks for coming back racing with us, sir.
Thanks for the host. By the way, y'all, I got a new graphics card, and I don't know if it's 100% running well, so if I have problems, I'll just let you know.
Get ready, going green.
Yeah, fellas, and if I blink and I'm on this low line, I'll fill off to the track and go to the back. If I'm high and I blink, I'm going to hug that wall, so just be prepared, and I'll go to the back.
The pace car is in.
I got everybody and their mama live streaming over here, streaming. Race status to a
Green, green,
minimum.
Outside. Stay low.
And if you
Still
block
there.
early, you
Hold
will
your
be
line.
removed. And if you block on that last lap, if you get spun, don't
Stay
cry
low.
about it.
There's a car on the high side. Clear.
Minute race, so.
Outside. Stay low. There's a car on the high side. Stay low. Clear. Car outside. Clear. Car outside. Still there. Keep low, clear. Car outside. Clear.
your line, please.
Car outside. Clear. Inside. Clear inside. Car
I
outside.
about got spun out.
Stay low.
Yeah, what car is that? Right
Clear
there? I
outside.
can't see it, but they're not holding their line at all. Someone get them out of there.
What's the number?
Car
What's the
outside.
number?
Still there.
I don't know.
Clear.
Oh man, I'm down here. Zero 83. Thank you. Good grief, that guy was scaring me to death.
I'm outbooted him in practice. He did something I did in practice I thought was a little suspicious.
Rick, I trust your judgment 1,000%, sir. You see something, get him out of here, buddy.
Go forward.
I still want to know who's about spun me out and didn't say one word.
Outside. Still there. Hold your line. Keep low. Clear.
$25 minutes left, so it's still a lot of time. We're doing good. Keep it up. And this race.
Sorry, I was trying to block.
Keep low. Clear outside.
Who was
Car
blocked?
outside.
No,
Stay
I
low.
wasn't trying
There's
to
a car
block.
on the high side. Stay low. There's a car on the high side. You're on the bottom. 3 wide. Outside. 2 wide.
We might break away.
And driving when you're looking in the mirror doesn't work very well.
Car outside. Keep low.
The bumps in the trial will just
Clear.
kill you.
Car outside. Still there. Hold your line. Keep low. Clear outside.
I'm in. You're all good there, Richard.
Outside. Clear. Stay low. There's a car on the high side. Clear outside. Car outside. Still there. Stay low. Clear outside.
22 minutes. Good job so far, everybody. Good job. 10 laps in the book. Good job.
Jimmy, I didn't mean to move up in front of you there earlier. I just got shuffled out.
Oh, no worry. I was kind of hoping you were going to stay, but no big deal.
Stay high. Clear inside.
Oh, somebody blinked out. That was me. I moved up on the wall. Sorry, Jimmy. I was all the way out the gas there, brother. Under 20 minutes to go, guys. You're doing a good job. Let's keep it up, racers. Y'all are doing a wonderful job. Still plenty of races.
We need to do one of these and do some pit stops.
Only thing I don't like about pit stops is when the field gets broken up, I kind of get real sleepy on this track. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. Little under 18 minutes. We got 15 laps in the book. Good job, drivers. Keep it up.
Do you think we'll have to make a pit stop?
No, you won't have to make one.
Yeah, what happened?
The yellow flag is out.
Oh, I'm
Line
done.
up, single file. Pit road is
What
closed.
happened?
Catch the
What happened?
59 car. Catch
What
the
happened there?
21 car. Slow car up high.
What
Catch
happened?
the 59
Well, I just got hooked.
car.
Scared the living crap out of me.
Yeah, me too.
Somebody give me a push. What happened? Someone own up to it. They give me a push there for it. Good 15 lap run, fellas. Good 15 lap run. So what happened there?
Pace speed on the backstretch, guys. We will be pace speed going into 3. Pace speed on the backstretch.
Whatever was in front of me.
Pit road is now open.
Yeah, behind me, Jimmy.
Hey, get my black flags clear, please.
Yes, sir. I'll get your butt in the pitch and get out. Get back out here. Rick, since we had a good 15 lap run, we'll try and get as many of them on the lead lap as we possibly can.
I'm still getting towed, so I might go a lap down too.
Catch the
Call them out when you
59
guys get back
car.
on track. Catch up to the back of the pack. Call it out. We'll get you guys on the lead lap. Old Bullseye took it in the rump.
Hey, that's still 15 green flag laps, guys. Don't sell yourself short. That was a damn good run, so don't sell yourself short. I just wish someone would own up to it.
Catch the 16 car.
I'm gonna be in no trouble. I just
Fine, we had it moving, that's for sure.
Catch the 25 car. Catch the 16 car.
My heart skipped a beat when I got turked because I wasn't expecting it.
1 lap to green.
someone seen the replay yet?
You can't do it. It'll spin them out every time. I don't know why people try to do it. Maybe somebody checked up in front of the guy that hit you. You never know. Maybe somebody checked up in front of you. It's just one of them racing things that happens here at Talladega.
And we did get 15 green flag laps in, guys. Like I say, don't sell yourself short. That was a damn good... Hell, if I could get a 15 lap green flag run in these restrictor plate races, I would take it every race. So good job.
Can I get a wave around, please?
Mr. Rick will take care of you, but
Go ahead, queue up again.
wave around's coming around.
Just everybody just stay low for the wave rounds. We'll just restart this race down low.
Let the 4 car by. He had the position when the
How
yellow
many to
flag
green
came
flag?
out.
1 to green here. I'll see y'all next race.
We could have extended that yellow. Hell, we just did a 15 lap run.
I'm not going to make it on the track if we're just now going green.
Yeah, I'm not gonna make it out. Well, if you can make it out, you can help push somebody to a win.
That will come out and race. There might be another caution before the race it out marks. You never know. Cautions breed cautions.
Well, I'm talking to staying. How about you guys?
I need a rave around.
Get ready. Going green.
Go ahead and delay it. The start. Go ahead and delay the start, and we'll get some more of these guys on the lead lap.
Hurry up.
Hang on, we're not going green. Not going green. Hang on, we're not
I
going
need a,
green. Not
waiver
going
out.
green.
07. Appreciate it.
Well, I appreciate that 15 lap run. So if it would have been a 5 lap run, there's no way in hell we'd be throwing another yellow. So I appreciate that 15 lap run, fellas. As a host, I thank y'all.
1 lap to green.
49, get a wave around. Thank you.
83, wave around, please. Thank you very much.
Richard, Jesse, y'all need to wave around, Jeff.
I'm good.
One more time.
I don't know what happened there, I guess. In the rear view mirror. Instead of looking where I was going.
Y'all need to wave around. Jesse, 34, y'all need to wave around.
Oh, 7, car
I just damaged our cars again. Looking in the wrong direction. But,
Left of 83, car
we'll see you
by,
next
had
race.
the position when the yellow flag came out.
49, you need to get in front of me.
49, car by, he had the position when the yellow flag
I'm working
came
on
out.
10-4.
Jesse, you need a wave?
No, we are wrecked again, trying to come around. He was looking in his mirror or something and took us out.
Telling me to let the 07 car by.
Just go ahead, go. If you guys get a black flag, we'll clear it. Just line it up as quick as you can. Oh. You guys got to tighten that line up. We're going to green.
I'll be at 80 miles an hour when the pace car peels off. 80 miles an hour.
Hey, I'm gonna get a black flag at the start. I'm telling.
It's fine. It's fine. If you get a black flag, we'll clear it. Just line it up.
I'm coming as fast as I
Get
can.
ready, going green.
Just line it up, guys. Just for everything, don't damage your cars. Line it up, second gear, 80 mile an hour. We'll clear the black flags that need to be cleared. We're all right.
The pace car is in.
He's gonna make it. He made it. Thank you, Bo.
I made it. Oh my God. Good job. All right, guys, let's
Green
get
flag,
this
green
in.
flag. You're in 5th.
I need a black flag cleared.
Can you clear my black, please?
Thank you.
Sorry, 83, I was working, trying to get up there.
It's all good.
Thank you, fellas, for your patience and Miss Rachel. Like I said, it had been a 5-lap run. There's no way we would have extended that yellow.
I am going to look at lap 15, that wreck too, and see who caused it. And whoever I deem caused it, if they didn't own up to it, they will not be allowed to race to the next one.
133 caused it. I watched the replay.
Outside.
Yep, same.
Keep low.
I've been trying to say what happened, but
Still there.
they keep talking about it. The top line picked up and we caught up to him.
Still
And I
there.
clipped him. I tried to avoid it. An accident. I followed it. Yeah, well, Jesse's a regular in here, and if he says it's a racing deal, I'm going to take his word for it.
Yeah, he was in here. He was in here pretty much same time Ernie was at the very beginning. So yeah, Jesse ain't
Clear
missing
outside.
nothing. And he also has the
Outside.
most wins in the Crow's Nest room.
Stay low.
Yeah, that's for sure a racing accident.
Still there. Hold your line.
Yeah, we just like to have, when accidents and stuff happen like that, just
Stay
a little
low.
ownership of it. I'm sorry, and a my bad goes a long way in here.
Oh, you're good, Jesse.
Still
Don't sweat,
there.
buddy.
Hold your line.
You're the man. Hey, racing incidents happen. I even screw up.
Still there.
Alright, I'm
Hold
going
your
to stop
line.
talking, race status to a minimum. About 8 minutes left.
Keep low. Clear. Outside. Keep low.
See if I can push you
Still
up the
there.
back there.
Hold your
90.
line. Clear
How's it
outside. Outside. Still there. Still there. Stay low. You're on the bottom. 3 wide. Hold your line. Car outside. 2 wide. Keep low. Stay low. Keep low. Stay low. Keep low. Still there. Hold your line. Still there.
Rick, I really like this group of drivers in this race. Y'all are doing a wonderful job.
Clear outside.
It's been one of the better Talladega races we've had in a while, I think.
This is by far the best run on the weekend, because they're normally the worst races are on the weekend.
I'm sorry, Jeff, if I keep hitting you, but I'm just trying to see if we can catch up to the back.
Car outside. Stay
No
low.
problem. I just got messed up on that start there.
Still there. Hold your line.
Trying to wait for another car.
After this, I'm going to put up
Hold your
a
line.
Daytona truck race under the lights. Y'all in this group, be sure and jump in as soon as possible.
Still there. Clear
Can't wait to see the
outside.
other one.
I think I might be busy after the session, so I don't know.
Well, if you're in this race and you hadn't added me as a friend, be sure and do afterwards. So you can see what we're doing.
Outside. Stay low. There's a car on the high side. Clear outside.
Alright, we ignored the yellows from here on out. We're under 5 minutes. Good job so far. We're at lap 25. Good job.
No more yellows, guys. You heard them. Run it out from here.
That don't mean bring them out. Be sure and hit that subscribe button on James Lake for Sim Racer and Jonathan Papa.
I'm recording for my YouTube channel, but I don't know if I'll upload it.
Car
So it's nothing
outside.
personal. I can't plug it.
Still
I
there.
plugged the guys
Hold your line.
who support the Crow's Nest.
Clear outside.
Put the Crow's Nest races up, buddy. But it's nothing personal. They rep the Crow's Nest pretty hard.
It's all good.
Car outside. Keep low. Stay low. There's a car on the high side.
Come on, give us some room.
Still there. Hold your line. Clear.
Boy, it's picking up here, man. It's getting dicey and fun.
Outside. Clear. Inside.
56.
The yellow
He was
flag
trying
is
to
out.
side
Line
draft.
up. Single
Run it
file.
out, run
Pit
it out.
road is closed.
He was trying
Let
to
the
side
plate
draft
car
that middle
by.
lane. That's why I hollered out, give room. It's still a good run. Was a race and it's trying to side draft.
I'll take partial blame for that.
No, I watched the whole thing unfold, buddy. But it's all good. That's why I hollered, give room.
Just pushing too hard, man.
now open.
Minute 44 left. We'll sit back and watch the end. Good race. Rick, are you going to the next one, buddy?
Oh yeah, I'm here for the day now. I'm going to be doing a lot of these tonight, or as many as you run.
All right, sounds good, buddy. Appreciate you moving. Damn good race.
It's going to be a pretty fun battle at the end here. There's 4 hungry trucks up here.
Oh, hell yeah.
White flag at Talladega.
I ain't got no friends.
15 made a good move.
Fuck, they all left me.
Oh. There's Rachel. Oh. Oh, Miss Rachel by a nose.
Oh, man, that was fun as hell.
Crazy city. Good job, guys. Good job. If you enjoyed that race, I'm sure you did.
Oh, they're showing us the black flag. You passed the pace car.
Yeah,
they're going to
great
hold
job,
you a
Rachel.
while.
Great work.
There's the flag. It's over.
I love
Great job. You did really well.